Some sailors said that they saw a monster living in the ocean. It looked like a whale, and they decided to find and kill it. Professor Aronnax and Conseil left the harbour on the 3rd of July 1867 on the American ship, the Abraham Lincoln, to find it. It was night time, 200 miles off the coast of Japan, when they saw a strange light underwater. Professor Aronnax fell in the water, and his faithful assistant Conseil followed him. They landed on the sea monster and discovered that it wasn't a monster, but a huge metal submarine. Then suddenly a door opened in the top of the submarine and a group of men came out. They took Aronnax and Conseil into the submarine, where they met Captain Nemo. Nemo told them that the submarine was called the Nautilus and that they would have to stay with him forever. He didn't want anyone in the outside world to know about him and the Nautilus. Captain Nemo took Professor Aronnax down to a room at the bottom of the ship. It was full of amazing objects, and it had a huge window that looked out into the deep sea. Professor Aronnax stared in wonder at the wonders of the ocean. The Nautilus continued its underwater journey through the ocean, discovering the mysteries of the sea. They saw many amazing things, including a huge oyster with a massive pearl worth thousands of pounds. One of the most surprising was the legendary lost city of Atlantis.